Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Hawth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next award is for Local Hero, and the winner is Nicholas Hahn. Nick has devoted over 20 years of his life to grassroots football and helping the local community. As a huge influence and role model for players, he managed to create a family for his team. He promotes community values such as inclusivity, diversity, justice and good manners. The Crawley Devils started back in the 1990s as an under-8s team. One player describes how Nick single-handedly carried this team through their teenage years until they were grown up, with many leaving for university. On their return, Nick was asked to bring the team back to life, and they are currently in their 5th year of adult football. Almost 40 young 20-somethings come together every week for training and matches, creating a large second family for everyone. Nicholas Hahn, congratulations.